Um, oh, I guess it won't have our, wait, so when I did it last time, it actually had like our face and stuff. I guess it doesn't matter. Um, but yeah, the last time we did this was over a year ago, right? Yeah. So this is our annual uh Henry codes once a year kind of thing. Okay. And it's also a TypeScript PR. That's pretty funny.
Yeah.
Although that was a lot simpler.
This time you have a lot more backseat drivers, though.
Yeah, I got a lot more help this time, so that's good. Um.
And Kai can narrate the impeachment, give us a
Oh
play-by-play.
god. Oh god. Oh man.
It's gonna be a simultaneous coding and political stream.
Right.
Can you hear
Um.
me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I mean, I can screen share if you're not able to get the live thing working too.
I'll keep trying, but
Okay.
go ahead.
I mean,
Kai, did you see the link I sent you with the docs for manual login?
I'll give that a shot.
I think why don't we can just start by
Kai, is yours failing on trying to like auth with
Awesome.
Microsoft or GitHub?
Yeah.
Uh, with both methods.
I haven't tried Microsoft yet. I'm actually trying to find the link to the session. Why can't I find it? Oh, here we go. Okay. Go ahead without me, though. I'll figure it out.
Yeah. Well, I think we won't go through the code first. I think it's good to just explain what we're doing and then kind of go through again how Babel works, and then we can go through the code. Um, I didn't look at this issue that much, so we did briefly like last week. Um, so so TypeScript 3.8 is going to add a new syntax, and then we need to implement the whole thing. So that includes parsing it, transforming it, and then printing it out. I don't know how long it's going to take, so we'll probably only end up doing the first part, the parsing. I know the last YouTube video we did was just the printer, which was a lot simpler. Um,
Yeah, parsing is probably the more complex part for this feature.
mhm. Is this the only two like or there's only this syntax? There's not like different kinds, right? Um, yeah, that's what it looks like. And then let's see, the TS docs Rebel Flow also has this feature. Oh yeah, it says that right here. Um, there's only two like error cases that we have to deal with. I was gonna look at if they had the tests, but I think we can just start with the parsing.
Yeah.
The only thing we weren't sure about was what the, I guess, quote unquote API would be, like the AST node for this, but it looks like we could just do this, right, with the import type. Oh, I guess you
Yeah.
don't.
We can align with flow.
Okay. So the whole import kind thing.
Yeah, I think that makes sense.
Okay.
Makes sense to me.
All right, then I will. Let's go back here. Okay. So right now we're gonna yeah, Babel is a mono repo, so all of our packages are in this packages folder, and we're gonna be in this. Oh, we renamed Babylon to Babel parser. So we're in that folder right now. I guess if you're going to do this, we need to figure out which file to modify.
Should be in the plugins, right? In the TypeScript plugin.
So there is plugins TypeScript. Is that where we're supposed
Don't you
to?
remember this from last year, Henry?
No, I don't actually. Well, actually, no. Last year we didn't have to do this part. We just went to the generator. So.
It looks like there's already a method in here for parsing import statements.
Okay.
There's
Yeah.
some TypeScript specific stuff.
I think that this one is for dynamic imports in
Right.
type.
Oh, right. There's the dynamic import, and then there's import type, which is
Yeah,
different.
because we are doing expect token import and then expect parent L. So it's dynamic.
Oh, yeah, I see.
But there's also, if you look for a method called parse import, there's like a parse import equals declaration.
Oh, yeah, I
you
see.
can probably modify that.
That's cool. The scroll bar, it has everyone's like color, so I can just click on that. All right, so I'm there. That's this part, right? Yeah, parse export. Oh, that's funny. The method is called parse import, but then or export, but then there's that if check. So that's
I
wait.
think we can just add another like guard here, right? And
Yeah.
then just have another method.
Yep.
Oh, here parse import. Oh, okay, I see. A guard here. So right now, if this matches the name.
Do we have a token type for the type keyword?
No, because it's a normal identifier, but I think that we can use if this dot is contextual, which checks if there is a keyword which is a valid identifier.
What was that?
It's is contextual. I think.
This.
Yeah, it's contextual.
Oh, okay. And then is that a method?
Yeah, and you can pass the name of the identifier, so it's a string type. It's just a string because it's.
Oh, literally. Oh, is that? Oh, I see
Yeah,
what you
it's
mean.
not a token.
Okay.
And also we use double quotes.
In the code base, yes.
You'll get fixed on site. This is awesome. This is like
This is like.
18 backseat, 18 cooks in the kitchen.
Oh, okay. So I guess we should explain like what we're doing in parse import, but should we do that, or are we just gonna go with this?
I think it makes sense. I mean, I think this is overriding a method in like the base parser, right?
All right. Okay. So
we're extending that.
Yeah, I guess we could link to some docs on that, but essentially, when we're parsing the code, we're trying to turn that string into the AST, the JSON type form. And we already have a method called parse import in the code base, but then this plugin for TypeScript, we can override that method to do different things. And so it's kind of like monkey patching in a way, I guess. Okay, so now we're just checking. Okay, let me have the syntax just to remember this. So we're already at. So does that mean, what is this actually doing? Is it, we're already at import and we're just checking the next word?
Yes.
Okay. Cool. And so we're doing this right after this. That's fine?
Yeah, I think.
Okay. And then so here we could make a new method, right? Or we could just write everything in here.
I think that we just need to eat the type token, and then we can use the parse import method, which already handles everything after the type modifier.
Okay. So right here we can do this. What a fun. You want to explain what that means?
Yeah. So like the parser generates a list of tokens, and we have a few methods to go to the next token, and we have this dot next, which just goes to the next token, and we have this dot it, which goes to the next token if the current one matches something. For example, if we want to go ahead only if we have a parenthesis, we can use it. But if we already know that we have a parenthesis, so we don't need to check it again, we can just use this dot next.
Okay, so it's kind of like, I acknowledge that this is here, but we're going to like skip to the next thing.
Yeah. So like here we can just use next because we already know that we have type.
Oh, okay, right, because of this line. Okay.
Actually, we we could directly use this dot it contextual
Yeah, I was
in
gonna
the
say.
if statement.
Okay, so we have another
We have
method.
that eat contextual helper
Right.
instead of the is contextual.
Yeah, I mean inside the if header because it
Yeah,
contains
Oh,
yeah.
I see what you mean.
Is
Oh,
the
okay.
is, yeah.
Right.
because
makes
it
sense.
returns true if there is the token. So
Right. So that just moves on to this next part. Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Why don't we have like an actual test case? Let's see. Here, I'll use this one instead. So now we're like at this part, which is just the same as any other import, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we can use the super method at this point.
Is that the same as this then?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, like we just need to, like now that we know that we have the type modifier, we just need to define the import kind property on the node.
Yep.
Okay. So you do that right here, you mean?
Yeah.
So is it node or yeah, it's node, right? Okay.
Yeah, you just set node on import kind type.
Okay.
And just let it fall through to the super.
All right, because you don't have to write anything. All right, so that was pretty straightforward. And so I guess the reason why we're doing that is because, well, I guess in Flow it does that already. So I'm just gonna leave these in for now.
Is import kind set to value automatically, like before, or do we also need to set that?
Oh, yeah, we need to set that.
Okay. So that's only in Flow that it does that currently, the Flow plugin.
Yeah. Also, I mean, we can check what the Flow plugin is currently doing.
Yeah, let's do that. Okay. All right. So there's this. I can just search import kind, right? Okay. So that's has.
Yeah, doing something similar, but it's defaulting to import kind value. There's also type of import kind in Flow, so it just branches on that as well.
Oh, right here.
Yep. Yeah, it's this one.
Okay. So yeah, we're basically just doing the same thing there. Okay, great. I guess that's literally it. Okay. Wow, I thought that would be a lot more difficult actually. All right. Well,
I mean, probably we still haven't considered something.
Well, yeah, I know that there's
the error case.
The error cases, right? Yeah. So
first, let's add some texts, maybe.
Oh yeah. Okay. Cool. All right. So here, there's a test folder, and then fixtures.
By the way, for everyone, I mean for us, you can right-click on Henry's name, and VSCode will follow his cursor.
Oh, cool. Okay. So right now I'm just looking at the tests. I guess there's an import folder. Do we need to make a new folder name? Or is this a type? There's types import. I don't know what this is.
I think that's the
that's
dynamic import?
Yeah, that's the dynamic import.
We can rename this folder and then create a import type declaration folder.
Okay. So I can rename this to dynamic import, you think?
Yeah.
Okay. Dynamic import.
And maybe dynamic import type.
Oh. Well, okay. And then make a new folder, import. And then what was in here? Oh, just input ts. Okay.
It's so confusing with the import equals declaration folder above too.
Oh. Okay, well I made the input ts. Is this just one thing? Oh, there's multiple. Okay. So I guess we might need multiple for the errors, but the general case, what should our example be? Just anything, I guess. Let's see.
Can have a default and then also named one, maybe?
Okay.
Just
Um,
ran all the same test cases in
oh, from TypeScript or
TypeScript PR.
yeah.
That makes sense.
Okay. So I'm opening. I mean, you can just paste it for me in the chat if you want, but oh, okay.
Yeah, I guess we can just copy the example from the PR.
These. Oh, there's a syntax paragraph. Actually, it would be
yeah.
nice if you
Well,
could.
This one is for export.
Right.
So like, let's
Yeah.
have a separate test maybe for that.
You can delete that, right? Does it work?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Nice.
This is really slick.
Yeah, for real. Okay, so these are the three, yeah, named, different types. Alright, I guess we could just do that, right? Save. Okay, so then once we do that, you know, you might see that in the other folders there's an output.json, which is the AST, and we don't need to create that file, right? Because we can just run.
Yep.
Which one should I just do?
Yeah,
Test.
actually, you can use yarn just babel parser so that it only runs babel parser tests.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay. Great. I had to I pulled and I rebuilt everything, so then it should work. Otherwise, that would not work. Be fun. Okay.
It's been a year.
I know. I pulled in a lot of code. Okay.
Did you build?
No, I didn't rebuild it, so I need to do. Is there like the watch thing?
Yeah, make
Okay.
Watch.
Yeah.
Just do make watch.
And then
Yeah.
you can have multiple of these, right? So I just click this
Yeah.
plus sign. Okay. Okay, cool. So let's see, that's running in the background. Yeah, I should have did that earlier. See, we're learning. We're all learning. Just pretend that I'm a new contributor. But actually...
So like, I'm deleting the options.json file, which was generated by Just.
Oh, yeah,
so
yeah,
that
okay.
it can
Rebuild.
create a new one.
Although, it won't override it?
No.
No.
We
Oh.
test against it.
Oh, right, that makes sense. Okay. I guess it would be nice if we had something where it was like, it would like be like, oh, do you want to delete this or something?
We have.
Right. Yeah, exactly.
But you can set the override
Oh, the flag?
in
Yeah.
variable.
Okay. Oh, this doesn't have like the, what was it again? Just yarn, just
babel parser.
yeah. Okay. Cool. So this should pass and then create the file.
Yep.
And then we can look at the file. Although it is very difficult to read that stuff.
Yay.
Okay. Yay. And then you can see it in Git too. We can just look for where it has, yeah, import kind type. It would be nice to kind of maybe make some kind of UI to better view this stuff, kind of like on AST Explorer. But that's another thing. All right, great. So now we have the output, it parsed, and this works for the regular, those three test cases. Okay.
I need to guard against some of the error cases, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there's two that they have in that file. I mean, I don't know if there was more. We probably have to look at it later, but so the first one is it can only be used. Oh, it can't be used on both. Okay. So do we?
You can do import type star like in Flow. Flow doesn't allow that either. We can copy that check too, right?
But I think that Flow is more permissive because it allows mixing default and named imports to type.
Oh, you can do import type star.
import.
Into the TypeScript PR.
Okay,
You
cool.
can or you can't?
Oh, you can, yeah.
So that's fine.
Okay.
Okay, so we renamed that. So if we want to add the other test cases for the errors, what should we do about the naming?
We should create maybe a new folder like import
Yeah, just like
declaration
import
invalid.
Okay.
declaration error.
Okay. I guess there's no way to make a duplicate, huh? Okay, that's fine. New folder.
Yeah.
Import type declaration error.
Yeah.
I mean, there's multiple, right? So.
I mean, we can add error 1, error 2.
Okay. Well, whatever the name is. Okay, so here's the first one. And input.ts. So the first one is, I'm just gonna copy that, I guess. This.
Yep.
And then we have another one, which is with the shadowing. Oh, well, we can go to the next one. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know if we should throw when it's shadow or...
We could do it in the transform?
I mean, we could just leave it to the type checker.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay. So do we even need to put that test case in then?
I don't think.
Yeah, right, because it's just gonna pass.
Yeah.
All right, so now we have this, and then I guess you could even just run it again, and well, if we'll know that it'll pass, right?
Yeah, I mean, for now it will probably pass.
Yeah.
And it should throw.
Okay. All right, so if we want that to throw, which is this here.
I mean, maybe let's run this test so
Okay.
that we see the output and we can check what we need to disallow.
Yeah. Good to verify that. When it's both. Named and default. Okay, so I made an output. I mean, it definitely adds the type.
Yeah. Also, like, you can see that we have an import default specifier, and then
named.
we have, it's import specifier. So we should probably just check if we have both in this list, and if we do, we can throw an error.
Okay. And that will happen in the parse import.
Yeah.
So that would be in the actual parse import, right? I wonder if there's a way for someone else finds it, I could like go to that too, but I don't know.
Isn't parse imports in the base parser though?
Right. Because we're doing the super call, right? Yeah.
Right. So should we save off this node here and then modify it and then return that? Like instead of return super?
Yeah,
Mhm.
I mean, probably parse import returns the same node that it.
Oh, okay. Well, we can look.
Node, but we can look it up.
Okay. Parse import. Okay, so where is that? It's probably like in
It's probably in statement
yeah.
parser.
Yeah.
It's statement line 248.
Parse import.
Well, that's where it gets called.
Oh, here it is. This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 2030.
Yeah, so it just returns the node at the end. It does finish node and returns it.
Oh, okay. Specifiers. Parse imports parse. Okay. So we were thinking not doing this anymore, or?
Yeah, I mean, after the super call, we should check. So we should. I mean.
Oh, okay. So you're saying just run it and save it as variable or something?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we can.
Okay.
Like do.
Okay, cool.
We can save it in node.
Mhm. So I guess the thing is here is that we don't want to add any TS specific code in the base parser. So then that why we kind of have to not modify the other stuff, right? Okay.
Yeah.
What should we call this? So I guess we already have node here, right?
Import node.
Okay, great. Naming is very hard. Import node. Yeah. And then return import node. And then in here, so this is where we're gonna do the check, right?
Yep.
So how do we check? We can check you said you wanted to check specifiers, or I guess maybe if people aren't familiar, we could look at the AST.
I think it's helpful to look at the output in the
Oh
error
yeah.
case.
Okay, cool.
Because yeah, we have it here. It's like line 47. There's a list of specifiers, and you can see that it has both.
Yep.
Where's I don't even know where that is anymore. Oh, okay.
Yeah. So like the import default specifier will always be the first one. So we can check just if the first one is this one and there is more than one specifier, then there is something wrong.
Okay, so if they have a default and then plus the array is the length
Yeah,
or
you
something?
check the array length and check if the first is a default.
Oh, okay, because in this. Okay, cool. So, specifiers. So that's the array. So first, we're just gonna check if the length is greater than 1, and the first one is that one.
And yes, and also we need to check if the import kind is type.
Okay. Okay. And node dot. So the first one dot. Or wait, is that just this? Type, right? Okay. Type. So this.
Yeah.
And then node dot import. Oh wait, I wrote node, but okay, that's fine. Import kind.
Actually, should that be first so that we can short circuit it?
Yeah.
Yeah. That makes sense. This line is really long. I should just.
And probably you can configure preter to format on save.
Yeah. Alright, we'll do that next time. And then I have to say this is import node, not node, right?
Yeah.
So,
Cool.
so great comment. That's important. Okay, so the lines we added were this, and then we needed to add all that stuff. Now we're checking that it's still the type, and then that yeah, this part. All right, so now we throw an error. So how do we throw an error here? Do we have like a method for that?
Yeah, we have this raise method.
Raise. Okay.
Yeah, and I don't remember the parameters.
Yeah, that's fine.
It looks like it's a location.
Oh, okay,
and
number.
then the error message, maybe?
Right. So I guess I could just search this dot raise somewhere. Okay, so there's like something dot start and then an error message.
Okay, yeah, so the start is the beginning of the node. But actually, I think that we should store the position of type.
Okay.
And then throw a type, or we could throw at the second specifier.
Oh, that's a good point, actually. I wonder, should we just look at what they did then?
Yeah, we can check their online demo.
Okay. I think the screen share would be nice then. Maybe I should do that. I wonder. Hopefully, it doesn't make my computer like super slow, but I mean, it probably will. But yeah. I'm assuming it's this.
Okay. I think that their online demo doesn't support this feature yet.
Oh right, because it's not
That
out.
makes sense.
So maybe you can use the nightly version in the version dropdown.
Uh-huh. Nightly.
Yeah.
Dude, we need this.
Well, I mean, we can test from master. It's just
right.
route/build/master.
Oh, okay. Is this not?
Yeah, so like they throw the error on the wall range, but we
Oh.
don't have ranges, so.
I thought we added that, but not in the parser, right? Didn't we add some kind of range? I don't remember. Oh, we
Maybe
added.
in code frame.
Oh, for other people, right? We didn't actually do it. Okay.
I don't know if it's a terrible thing to just warn on the whole import declaration.
Yeah, I mean, it's okay.
Oh, here's the error.
But people will just read the message and understand what's wrong.
Uh-huh. So, okay, so that's that error. It really is making it slower. Okay, so I don't need a screen share anymore. Okay. So we some kind of location. Wait, what the?
So I think it's just import node.start if we're okay with
Import that.
on the whole
right.
whole declaration node.
Yeah.
So yeah, each node has a start and an end. Okay, I just copied their thing. Is that right? Let's see.
Yeah, you can actually see that in that output file again too.
Oh, when we save, did we save? And then
just you can see like the location information there.
Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah, all these start and end. Okay. Cool. So I'll save. Did I already run it? I don't remember. Oh, do I have to delete the file?
Well, first let's see if it fails.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Yeah, so it does have an error.
Yeah, so like you can run override equals true, and then oh no, it's an m variable. So
okay. Yeah, okay. Like this?
Yeah.
Cool. Cool.
Oh, actually it's override.
Overrides?
Yeah, override with the W.
Wait, what?
Override.
Oh, overwrite. I was like, what?
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Okay.
Oh no.
Okay, overwrite.
Yeah. Just delete the output file.
Override. That works too, right? Same word. Okay. So that was that. Wow, so the parser wasn't that hard. Maybe we can even do the whole thing at this point.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, we still have to implement export types.
Oh,
in the
yeah.
parser,
Oh,
like
okay.
export type and
Right.
okay, so you can see that there is a new errors property in the output file at line.
The last line. Oh, here it is.
It's the first line probably.
Oh. Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Cool.
Awesome. Nice.
Do we need to add the import kind equals value
Yes.
property too?
Okay. Where do we? Oh, you mean just?
So it can just be an else.
Yeah, else, right? Okay. Okay, because
And then we need to
the default is.
Yeah, and we need to regenerate the outputs because probably many of them will change.
So basically, the default's always value now. Okay. So we're gonna just do the same thing. Okay. So while that's happening, yeah, I guess later we'll have to check if there's other tests, but that seems to be okay. So we're not what are we gonna do about the second bullet point in the issue? We're just gonna leave it.
Yeah, I think that for now we can leave it.
Okay. Because we could check that in the transform, right? Or no?
Yeah, also, like, if we are going to check this, we can probably check it in this scope tracker.
Yeah. You mean in the parser or the transform?
Uh, uh, I don't know.
I see. Yeah.
Yeah, but I think that it's something that we can leave to the type checker, right?
Okay.
Because if you do
Yep, I
type,
agree.
if you do type like type A equals something, and then you use A as a value, we don't report an error.
Oh, so it's similar thing. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I guess we just had to document that in our change. Okay. Wait. So then this. Oh, okay. Import type. Is there anything else with this issue then? You said the export stuff, right?
Yeah.
Export? Okay. Um. Okay. Oh. Wait.
Does it not support default exports? I guess not.
I think that it's because default export is. Do you mean export default from?
Yes, yeah,
I think that it's because it's the proposal, so TypeScript doesn't support it.
I see.
Okay, because it's not finished.
That makes sense.
Okay.
So these are the test cases.
Pending. So should we work on the export type then?
Yeah.
Sure.
Well, actually, I'm like, why isn't it in the issue, or did you make another issue for that?
I think that he just
Okay.
assumed that we were going to
Oh, okay.
open the TypeScript PR anyway and check
Okay.
that workflow.
Okay. Cool. So that's done. We'll do that.
Should we commit that?
Okay. Yeah, we should do that.
Yeah. Don't do it on master, create a new branch.
Yes. Great.
I do that all the time.
Wait. Oh, it tells. Wait, did someone put in the? Wait, can other people do that too?
Do what?
Like commit things and.
Yeah.
No, I don't think we can edit your
Okay, no.
terminal.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we definitely can't edit your terminal.
No, I was just wondering. No, because like.
Looks like we can request it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting. Oh, access to it.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
I mean,
Okay.
it's not needed.
Make the terminal rewrite for everyone. Sure. All right. Well,
Steal your file or.
No, I know.
Access to
Yeah, that would not be fun. All right. So I did status. Oh, why is there this in there? That's annoying. Can I ignore that? How do you ignore these files? Hey, what is this?
The VSCode files. You can add, if you want to ignore the VSCode file, you can modify.
Git ignore or?
Yeah, you should add your global git ignore.
Yeah, or I can show you. It's
Awesome.
probably this file. It's like an hidden git ignore. We just exclude this in this project.
Okay, I'm just gonna delete it. It's fine. I think that was because I changed my thing to yellow or whatever. I don't know if that was.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Okay. So that's everything. Okay.
Imagine Twitch chat right now.
Oh my gosh. Well, I mean, no one. I don't think anyone will be watching this, so we'll see. I don't know. Well, there was that one time I did try to like, stream like triaging issues, and then like we had like 30 people watching.
Yeah.
And I remember streaming Mario Kart, and I got like 2 viewers.
Yeah.
Okay. So added that I can commit. It already has like, this is cool. It automatically has this. Do you even see this? The thing on the. Okay.
This one.
It has like the co-authored by everybody on the commit,
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Sweet.
which is pretty cool. All right, what should we call this, or the commit?
Add support for type-only imports.
Or it's parser support, I guess, right?
Yeah,
Or parser support, yeah.
in
For
TypeScript.
type,
Yeah.
was it type only imports?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. That seems fine. I don't even use VSCode. Let's see. Oh, okay, commit. All right, so that's committed. Now we can work on export. Oh man, I forgot we have the pre-commit thing. Great. It just like failed. It's probably some linting thing.
Try committing from the command line so that it shows why it's failing.
Okay.
You can run make fix if it is a lint thing.
Yeah. Should we just do make fix instead? Or we can just see what happened. It's gonna take a while. Yeah. Man, my computer is so slow.
Yeah, I suggest installing the eslint extension for this code, and then you can enable fix on save, format on save.
Yeah. That makes sense. Let's just cancel this then. Yeah. I think I normally would have that.
Don't run makefix, but makefix.js. Otherwise, it will format a lot of JSON files.
Is it dash or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because makefix also fixes JSON files, but they are formatted differently than what our tests generate.
Oh. I guess, is there a way to get around that?
Yeah, I mean, we should just, because we don't enforce formatting on JSON files, so we should probably...
Oh, with pretty or something? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, this is gonna take forever, so... So that's what I get. What computer? Should I just get a new MacBook then? I don't know. Yeah. Well, I was...
You really want to, I thought we were going to avoid discussing politics on here.
Oh, yeah. Well, actually, my other way around...
Anecdotally, I bought one of the 16-inch MacBook Pros, and it's fantastic. So.
Okay. Well, I mean, next time I won't be doing streaming, right? So then we won't have to worry about it.
You're really going to buy a new laptop for the once a year...
Oh, no. It's because... No. Like, I was going to edit, like, the podcast, right? And then my computer was just, like, dying because I couldn't edit video.
Oh, yeah. I mean, if you're going to do video, you're going to need a pretty beefy machine.
Yeah. Oh, is it done?
Looks like it's done.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Alright, so that... Wait, what? Oh, okay, so that was... Oh, okay. Right. Okay. And then let's see if this commits.
Okay, there is a problem, I think, because there are a lot of modified lines by the makefix.
Oh, really? Well,
No, I think aren't the changes from adding the import kind value? Or no?
All right, yeah.
Well, it worked this time, so.
Okay.
Because it should add it to every import test that we have for TypeScript then.
Yeah. So.
Okay.
Cool, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, how long should we? This has already been like. I don't know how long we've been in here, but should we just finish the export and we can, I mean, obviously we can keep going, but we can just make another thing too, if you want.
Maybe we can implement transform support for import.
Okay, should we just finish this? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that makes sense.
Then we can do export in another PR.
How much time does everyone have? Yeah. You're good?
I don't have a limit.
Okay, good.
Yeah,
Alright.
I'm good for a while.
Okay. So we'll move on to the transform. We didn't even do this the last time either, so...
this is a better end-to-end view.
Right, like finishing a whole plugin test, I guess. Alright, so now we're gonna move out of the parser, and then we already have a Babel plugin. I guess our naming system was it? I could probably just search, but it's probably easier.
Yeah, it's babel plugin.
Transform.
Wait, I think that we should organize our packages in different folders
Yeah.
because it's hard to navigate this long list.
I know. Yeah. There's too many packages. I wish we could get rid of some actually.
Yeah,
So.
we should have plugins and helpers and core packages and everyone in organize them better.
I mean, yeah, we could even do it by year because then maybe you don't even need to modify those or whatever. So. Okay.
Yeah, I've recently moved some packages to Babel Archive.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I don't know how to.
Archive, yeah. Yeah, Babel Archive is our thing where we're probably never gonna change it anymore. So we,
graveyard.
yeah, essentially a graveyard. Here I'm gonna do that. Let's see.
Yeah, we should definitely revisit the folder package organization because it's quite a mess.
A lot of things are a mess, but it's still working. So.
It's deep. It's deep.
Too many deep things. Okay, so now, there's the transform TypeScript folder, and then in the source file there's the main index file because I guess there's only enum namespace. So somewhere in here we need to figure out where it has import.
Actually, I think that first we should edit babel-types.
Oh, okay. Right. Should we? Okay. So babel-types. Probably want to explain what that is too, but.
Yeah. So we have a package babel-types where we define all the shapes of the possible AST nodes, and we use it for validating, for building nodes, and so we should add this new import kind property to the import declaration definition.
Where is that? Let's see.
In the definitions folder, we have the TypeScript file. Yeah.
Yep.
Exactly.
Great.
Well, actually,
no, I don't think we need to because we should already have the import kind prop from Flow on the generic import declaration node, right? I think.
Let's find it.
Because I think we just stacked it on the.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we already have. We should just. We should edit the comment.
The comment? Where?
Yeah, so Eric,
find where it's in es2015.js under definitions, line 385.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So this is import declaration. I see. Import kind. I could have just searched import kind, I guess.
That's part of the not terribly elegant part of it because you look for this under Flow or TypeScript, but it's.
Yeah, I mean that's just a result of how this worked from the beginning, but we could think about how we might change that, but yeah, we're just sharing.
Okay, so let's go back to the plugin.
Okay.
Yep.
So we don't need that. Save, right? Yeah. Save. There this. Okay, so now we're back in the plugin. I guess very briefly at the high level, the plugin, where is it? It's a giant function. It has this thing called a visitor. Where is this? Okay, visitor. And then we create methods based on each node, and then we, I guess, we have a function inside that changes the code. And in this case, all we're doing is removing things. So, so is there like an import? Oh, okay. Oh, right here, remove type imports.
Yep.
Import declaration.
Yeah. So currently, this logic is quite complex because we need to figure out if an import is a type import or a value import. And so, we have a lot of logic to check
if it's used or something.
If it's used, how it's used. But since we are going to implement this import kind, we can just like
We can just add a
yeah
visitor, right?
Oh. Like a separate visitor?
Because in Flow, I think all we do is detect the import kind and then call path.remove.
yeah. I mean, adding a new visitor wouldn't work, I think, because the program visitor
First?
is
Oh, yeah, you're right.
the program visitor runs
It's gonna
before.
run first.
Yeah, so like in this for loop we have in the program visitor, we can
We can just augment that.
we can do it at the beginning of the loop.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then I guess to explain the reason why the program one runs first is because the visitor traversal for the whole tree goes top down and program is the first node.
Exactly.
Okay, so in this for loop, are we gonna make another if statement?
No, I think
Well-
we can go the for of loop where we loop through the specifiers. We can just do an import kind check, right?
Yeah.
In here? Okay.
I mean, since the import kind is not defined on the specifier but on the declaration,
Oh, yeah.
we should
We can do it even above that, right?
Okay. We could just do it right here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
at the beginning.
Alright, so here we're gonna check that it has import kind, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay.
If
Yeah, statement.node.
Wow, why do
yeah,
we call it
need to do that node
STMT?
because statement is a path, which is a wrapper around nodes,
Mm-mm.
and we need to check the property on the original node.
Oh, right here, path, yeah.
Yeah.
And then node has import kinds. And let me just check the type.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we can call statement as dot remove, which will remove this path.
Not, yeah, okay, right, not the node. Okay, so that's it. Wow. Do we need a comment here, or we're good?
And no.
As an example?
Just don't forget to add continue after statement dot remove.
Exit.
Oh, because it's the loop? Okay, right.
Yeah, and also I think that we should introduce a new option to prevent the plugin from removing imports using the old logic.
Okay, why?
And because ideally in Babel 8 we will only remove import with the explicit type keyword, and so we should probably provide an option to already opt in into that behavior.
Okay, makes sense. Okay, so now we can write the test.
Yeah.
So test fixtures, imports, make a new folder.
Yeah.
Okay. New file. Import
You can do
type,
I think that makes sense.
or you can rename it if it's not good. Oh crap! Is this a file? Okay. Yeah, never mind. That was wrong. Import type. Oh, great. I have to delete it. Okay. Amazing. I guess that's a nice thing. People can just just do it. Import type. Okay. Input.ts. Oh man, no, great. JS. Okay. Do you have the code already, or the same one, right?
Yep.
If someone wants to do it, you can do it.
I got it.
Cool. Same code as before, and then it should create its own.
beat you, Kai.
Did you do it? I don't even see the change.
fast.
Wait, I don't. Did you paste it already?
It should be there.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, it's there.
I don't see anything.
Are you in input.js still, maybe?
Oh no, I
You have to
renamed
rename
it.
to TS.
I renamed it to TS, but then it's blank. So maybe. All right, maybe I should just.
Maybe,
Oh no,
close
it's.
it and
Oh, it's good now. Yeah. Wait, no.
You are in the wrong file, Henry.
No, I was. It's still blank for me.
I see you in the import equal folder.
Oh no, I changed.
Okay.
Wow, that sucks.
Twitch chat is really angry at us right now.
No, really, look, it's like import type input. Here, should I share my screen? Should I just close everything?
Yeah. Yeah. By the way, I'm adding a semicolon at the end of the input file because otherwise, the output file will be empty, and so I don't know how it behaves. But
It'll
I
just not
see-
have the output.
Yeah. And so like I'm adding a semicolon at the end so that the output still has this semicolon.
That's fine.
Okay.
It's more straightforward, I think.
Wow. Well, it's still blank for me, so that's fun. Well, how about you save it and then?
It's saved.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
Wow, that's weird. Because I even see it in Git, and it's like, but then it's not showing for me. All right. Well, I'll just git add then. So. Why isn't it showing anything?
Just run the
yeah.
The time.
Henry, maybe try going in the live share extension options and try to follow me or someone else who is in this file.
Oh, okay.
Like right
Just
click
click on.
the name. Follow.
Okay. Are you on the file?
Yeah, I am.
I feel like it's not following people. Like
There are me, Brian, and Kai. All
they're all on they're all on different files. Like it says output.json, index.json. Okay,
Like-
well, either way, I'm just gonna
Okay.
run.
I see the file as empty now.
Oh, well, that's fun. I'm just gonna run the test.
No, it's empty for me too now.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Okay.
I mean, I just put it back, brought the content back.
Oh, well, okay. At this point, I might as well just do it then.
Okay.
Because I'm not seeing it, so I have no idea why it's not working. Import type. What? Okay. Yeah, that's sad. It worked at one time, so I was like, I can rely on that, but apparently I can't. What about now?
Yes.
I don't see anything.
Oh. Well, I definitely changed it, so I guess this thing has problems. Okay, well, we're running the test, so should be good. Thank you for whoever typed that. Okay, great. Something is wrong. Wait, what? Import.
Oh.
We don't even.
I don't know.
Well, we don't even have an output.js.
Oh, I know. I think I know. No, I don't know.
Also, the output's like MJS, but then the error.
Yeah, because we use MJS for modules.
Oh, yeah. So I'm wondering why.
Let's start creating an empty output.mjs file and run the tests again.
Okay.
Oh, the output just showed up. Oh, you just.
That's why I made it, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I just created
Right.
the output.mjs file.
This is fun. I'm not even doing anything. It's just like, oh, random files get created. That is kind of scary. Yeah. Oh, great.
Okay.
And then what does it do though? Oh.
So okay, the tests are passing now.
Oh, okay, because
but
it made the empty file,
yeah,
right?
but they shouldn't, because there should still be a semicolon in the file.
Is that normally how it
The
is?
one I was talking about.
Oh.
So maybe the semicolon is just strict. I'm trying to put a different expression, like 0 at the end.
At the end of the file? I don't even see
Yeah.
the... Well, I guess the problem is I don't see the change on there.
Yeah, input's still empty for me.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Something's out of
Okay,
sync, I feel like.
Something in input. I see the contents in input.
So maybe it's actually an empty file.
And well, even if I close the file and open it, I still see the contents.
Wow, that's weird.
I just added it.
I mean, can I just write to the terminal?
Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. What is the file? This is like some kind of Schrodinger's cat thing or something.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Here, I'll do it. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so cat shows the contents.
Right. So then what is going on?
But it's missing the semicolon.
Oh, right.
Where?
Which I did just add, so I'm not sure.
Okay, let's run cat again.
So this is so funny.
No, it still isn't there.
Okay, so where you want to put it one at the end or something?
Yeah.
Just like on line 4?
Yeah, or yeah.
I'll save that and then run that again. Okay, now it's there. So
There we go.
I guess
Alright.
it's not saving on your end for some reason. So.
It will be. Okay.
And then run this again.
Yes.
Why is there an S here? Oh, some rendering issue.
We should just have a shared terminal and do everything on the terminal.
At that point, it's like, why are we even using VSCode? just use Vim, right? Yeah. It's a fun exercise. It just introduces some weird bugs.
So it worked.
It worked? Okay.
Yeah, there is this semicolon.
Oh, there we go.
We can't see it because all the all the names are covering the semicolon.
Yeah.
Alright, cool, awesome, that worked.
Yeah, cool, it's working.
Okay.
So can you just add another test file, which I think that it's buggy?
Okay. Another folder.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm creating
You're
it.
saying that there's an edge case that we missed?
Yeah, I think. Well, it's not really an edge case, but I'll call it import type 2.
Okay. Well, if you can name it, then I guess that's good too. But.
Oh yeah.
Up to you.
I mean, I will think, but import type not removed.
Oh, okay. So what is that?
Okay.
That's working now. I can see you typing. That's weird. Okay. Well, that's
cool. And then
import.
Okay. Do you think that B should be removed or not here?
Oh, because it's a value.
Yeah. I mean, we don't know if it's a value or not.
Right.
So let's try to run the plugin and see what happens.
Okay.
To run the test. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Well, VSCode doesn't highlight type yet.
Ah.
I mean, like, both are for Microsoft. But...
Right. What are we? So is that this? Okay. Well.
Okay, so...
Well, it didn't pass, but.
Yeah. Okay, it didn't pass because of. Okay, so currently the second import is being removed.
It is? Okay.
Yeah, I mean, because if I add a semicolon at the end of the file, probably the test will pass.
Okay.
But I don't think that the second import should be removed.
Right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't think so either.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, but the problem is that currently it's being removed because it's not used as a value.
Right.
So not removing it will be a breaking change.
Oh, we do that right
The
now.
option, yeah, I mean, the option I was proposing, something like,
Hello? Okay, there it goes.
yeah,
Ah, okay.
I would, like, earlier I was proposing an option in the plugin, something like explicit import type, maybe, so that it doesn't run the custom logic and it only removes imports with an explicit type keyword. And so when this option is enabled, it wouldn't remove the second import.
Oh, okay. I see.
And then we could remove this option in Babel 8 and just make it the default behavior.
Right. Okay. Yeah. That makes sense.
So how could we call this option?
Do you want to do that right now, or you want to do it in a different thing?
I think we could do it in a separate PR.
Yeah. Okay. Or I mean, like not on this like session or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, that sounds good.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah.
Maybe add a to-do or something.
Yeah. Oh, I guess Nicolò like cut out for the call. Should we?
Yeah, I don't know. Slack. I was talking for like
a
the
while.
last 10 minutes and it would not
Work.
So,
You know, we could just use like a normal like audio chat type thing too. Next time, we could even.
A phone call.
Yeah, seriously.
What is that?
I know. Well, I mean, if that works well. I mean, you could.
You called it a normal audio chat.
I was thinking of Zencaster. That's why. Because it works pretty
awesome.
well. I know. It's like when everyone's trying to invent this thing. It's like, oh, you're just talking about like a bus or a subway. You're like, yeah.
Yeah.
An audio call. Cool.
Yeah, I think all things considered, this worked pretty well.
Yeah. We should do the generator too, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good call.
Okay.
What's that?
The printer,
output,
the pretty,
generator.
yeah. I think. Oh, good. You're back in. Yeah, actually, that just happened to Brian, I guess. So, next time we will not use this method. All right. I was thinking we can do the Babel printer generator change. Let's see.
Yeah.
All right. So that should be.
What would it actually output in this case?
It's just outputting the same thing. It's just like, it's not that you would need this. It's just if you want to generate that code, then it's possible, right?
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah.
Because maybe someone could create a plugin from types which doesn't strip TypeScript.
Yeah.
And like it.
Like I don't think it would be that useful right now, but it's like more for just to completeness, I guess.
I mean, actually, I feel like it's already going to print it because of flow, right? Import kind on import declaration.
Yeah, but we should add a test and check.
Yeah.
Right. Good point.
Yeah, it's good. We just need to add the test.
Okay. So. Oh. Okay. Test.
I think this is failing because of the comment.
Yeah, I'm regenerating it. So.
Great. I don't even have to do it. That's good. I mean, it's good because then we can move on to the next thing. So TypeScript import. There's a bunch of import stuff here. What is this? Oh, import. Okay, so we can make a new one called import type.
Yeah.
Wow, there's so many in here. Import. Wait, is that even folder? Type. Okay. Wait, what? Okay. And then we got.
What's this? Exporting.
I don't know. I just opened it. I was just looking at it. All right. So now we have import type. And where's that file? Or do you want to paste it? I don't know if it still works or not.
Got you.
Oh, it works. I see it. And then we just run the test for generator?
Yeah.
Okay. You can just do this. That wasn't too bad. Oh, look at that. And generates the output, and it's the same.
Yeah, it's working.
Oh, good. All right, well, it was good to have the test either way.
Yeah, absolutely.
Great.
Cool.
Good job, gents.
That was really good.
We should write all code this way. If we don't even need to review code.
Oh, yeah, because I already reviewed it. Sure. Okay. Git add.
Oh, first run make
JS.
fix.js.
Right. I wish it would like do this better.
This is very cool. It works a lot better than I expected.
Yeah.
Despite some of the hiccups.
Yeah. There are little small things. I think we could just I don't know, remember all the problems, but yeah. Even this call thing, yeah, we should figure that out too. Commits.
Slack just randomly drops my microphone.
Oh. Yeah.
I
I
had
get lonely because no one's answering me, and then I realize no one hears.
Oh, yeah.
I had to quit the call because I couldn't hear anymore.
Well, actually, I guess next time we should figure out the voice for this, right? The live share thing, yeah. Hopefully that works. Wow, this is. Maybe we need make fix.js folder. All right. Well, I mean, it's basically good. You can make PRs from here too, right? But I don't think we need to go over that. But
So,
yeah. Wow. This is not.
so slow.
I don't know. I have no idea.
Henry's computer.
I know. It's horrible. Wait. What happens if I just make a new file? Can you see that too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Should we think about how we change this or do this better next time then? Or it's done now.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's done.
Okay. So GitHub.
Yeah. Git add. And we got all these changes. We got comments, output. Okay, to do.
It seems okay.
Okay. Commit. Oh, it doesn't have the thing from before. That's weird.
Which thing?
Like with everyone's name and stuff. Here. I just wanted to copy the co-authored thing.
Well, I mean, when we are going to merge the PR, we can edit the message and add it there.
Oh, okay.
Because like when you do squash and merge, you can choose a new commit message from the GitHub UI.
Yeah, I see. I mean, I can do it now, but
Okay.
okay. So add transform support and printer test for type only imports. What? Transform and printer test. What? The following file has unsaved changes? Did we do that? Alright, whatever. Sure. I'll save it. Okay. Are we gonna should we make the PR now then?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, no pre-commit. Why? Really?
I can't actually see what you're doing anymore.
I
I'm
can.
just making a commit, that's all.
Okay.
Oh.
And it's saying that it's not letting me commit.
Try to commit from the command line so that it shows the error.
Okay. Oh, I keep using my aliases. So this is this.
Okay, by the way, next time we're going to do this on my laptop. So.
Yeah. Yeah. Wait, how do I make a message with multiple lines? Is that...
Just run without m,
Yeah.
and it will ask for the message.
Okay. Oh, it'll just fail. I see. Okay. Ugh.
Which file is this?
It's just prettier.
Yeah, it's just prettier with the 2015 thing.
Why did all these error?
Did we mess
I
up?
think that it's because. Oh well, I'm not sure.
There's
Yeah,
just that...
I really just using the eslint.
Yeah, for sure. That would make this way easier, because this would never actually happen. Lesson learned.
Maybe it's because of lint staged. So it's like prettier was updated, but this file hasn't been touched since prettier was updated.
Oh no! Well, when we update Preter, we like
Run it on everything.
Yeah, we run on everything. Yeah. This thing was really slow.
Yeah. Or maybe did you run make bootstrap?
I did.
Okay.
Is it just the eslint extension?
Yeah.
Figure out live share audio. What else? Let's see. I mean, it might be good to have like some kind of outline on the side, because I feel like a lot of people might not have a lot of context into the folder structure or like just random stuff. So if I was actually going to edit the video, you could overlay a bunch of information, but that would take a pretty long time to figure that out.
Yeah.
So, alright, so I see there's a change. I can just add, right?
Yeah.
Stage changes. I think this should just work. I'm just going to commit it. Okay. Please work. Okay, it committed. Okay.
Okay, cool.
Git log. So now I can I just do hub pull request? I don't even know.
It's been a while.
I know. I don't even know if I have it anymore. Okay, yeah. Okay. All right, we're gonna go to GitHub then. Oh, I have to. Yeah.
Just push the branch and it should give you a URL to create the pull request.
Actually, you could probably do it from here, right? Or just push.
Yeah,
What?
just
Wait, did I even change the? Oh, I didn't even change my branch. I didn't end up doing that. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, well, yeah. I mean, yeah. What was this called? Import type or whatever.
Yeah, you need to check out.
you got a dash B.
Oh yeah, best be, yeah. Awesome. I haven't used Git in forever.
Yeah, use it before the
Yeah.
branch.
Yep. There you go.
Twitch chat is so bad.
I know. All right, great. Now, Git push. I haven't done this in so long. It's just like. All right, that should be okay. Now I'll go to my browser. I guess I'll
Click on
screen.
the link. No, just click the link in the terminal. Can you?
Oh, there you go. Oh, command click. Open. Now you can't see it anymore, right?
No.
Okay, so I'll share. Dude, it's so slow right now. Dude, it's like lagging like crazy. Wow. I can't even click on this. Look at that. Look at that.
It's so slow.
I don't know. I mean, it's like sharing your screen and the VSCode thing. I don't know if that just makes it really slow. Yeah. Oh, we got a PR. Yeah, I can't even scroll. Look at that. Alright. Import type. Wow, and then I closed that window, so now I have to like find. Oh.
Yeah.
Is it this one? No, it's not this one. Dude, this is so bad. Okay.
Can you close VSCode maybe? Like
Yeah.
end that session.
Oh yeah, okay, I'll end it. How do you even? How do you
Yeah,
end this?
just close the window and probably it will drop the connection.
Okay,
Yeah.
stop.
Okay.
Holy crap! Yeah, okay. What?
Just come down to it.
Okay. Okay. So I found the issue. It's just so people can see it. Although it'd be I should use that thing where like it shows you what key commands you have, right? Or whatever.
Yeah. Yeah. For VSCode, there is a thing which shows every
Oh.
key you press.
Oh really?
Yeah, it's just an option. It's not even an extension.
Is this actually fixes though? Because we didn't do the.
Partially.
Okay. Okay. Well, just.
Just refs it.
Yeah, we did grab it.
All right. Let's do this. Okay. Import type. Yes.
How bad is it going to be when a pull request gets rejected?
By the. Yeah. What are the labels for this? TypeScript?
We have TypeScript and parser.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
And new feature.
and TypeScript parser.
Okay.
Yep.
I also added to the 7.9 milestone.
Okay. Cool.
Okay, cool.
I'm not even gonna describe it. It's just like it's like worst PR ever. It doesn't even say anything. I would say yeah. Normally we would put that. Well, I could say like implemented for import types. Still. Because we
Should
implemented.
mark it as a minor. Send for minor PR.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, I mean, like, we only use the table to add labels, so...
Oh,
It's-
I see.
Yeah.
I actually didn't know that. That's cool.
Yeah, I mean, like, it's not done automatically. Like, I read the table and
Oh, I
then
see.
add the label.
Right. I guess we're the ones doing it, so it's kind of like whatever. But okay. Cool. Should we just do it then?
Yeah,
Wow. First PR in
Ship it.
a long time.
in 1 year. Like, I remember maybe 6 months ago, you had 997 commits, and I was waiting for your 1000th commit.
Oh.
And, and then it didn't happen. Like, at some point, we merged babel eslint, and you just got like 300 commits.
Oh no. Oh, no wonder. Well, this is
Okay.
this is my real 1,000th maybe. Well, actually, that's only 999. Dang.
Yeah.
So I need to do another one. Okay.
You should just add a typo and then add a subsequent PR to fix the typo.
Well, we're doing the export one anyway, right? So I could do that.
Yeah, that's true.
Cool. Awesome. Thanks for. Oh, I can screen share with the if you. Okay. I was gonna say our call, but whatever. Cool. Alright, because this one doesn't have any of our faces on it. But not that I needed to. Cool. Is there anything else we wanted to do?
I don't think so. This is fun though.
Yeah, this
Good
is
job,
great.
team.
Yeah, thank you. I yeah.
Subscribe to our channel.
If you like what you
Hit
see,
that like button.
hit the subscribe button, hit the like button.
Oh yeah, that whole thing.
I
That's
was
fun.
like actually like go on our open collective page and
Oh yeah,
Definitely
sponsor.
give us money. We need money.
Yeah, we do need money. Yeah, like that talk I gave the other day, I said I was like, oh, I'm a full-time maintainer. I don't think people will actually believe me. And they're like, oh, so you don't work at the company Babel? I was like, what? Oh man. Cool. Alright, I will stop sharing. I'll stop recording too. Alright, thanks.
Okay.
Yeah, subscribe. Whatever
Awesome.
that means.